Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell us about yourself?
Marital Diploma.
How about your address?
Model College, Newport, Pampanga. Na critic natin.
How old are you?
63.
62 years old then. You are a professional teacher.
Yeah.
When and where did you started teaching?
And then, started Orak District.
Or of this level?
Secondary School.
1972.
1972.
What are the grade levels you usually handle?
Grade 1, from the first time grade 4, 5, then grade 1, until now grade 1.
At St. Catherine.
Yes, for district.
Okay.
And present, I'm teaching grade 1 in senior class in St. Catherine.
What are your techniques or style in teaching a very young child?
One, give from the interest, motivate first the pupils.
As a teacher, what is your main goal or objective in teaching?
It's especially grade 1. Teach them how to read, especially read and write.
How can you define a teacher?
A teacher, say good mothers.
Good mother, a second mother.
The second mother.
How do you handle the responsibilities being a teacher and also being a mother?
You have time also to help your family. Give also time to the pupils.
There's a balance.
Talagang
About in your job, do you consider it as a profession or a mission instead?
pareho, same.
At the same time, it is a profession.
Mission. Mission.
As a teacher, what is the biggest mistake in your life and what are the things or methods you just to make it right?
I think sometimes hindi pa bawal. Bawal kaya.
What are the obstacles or problems you have experienced before you achieve your goal in life? Likewise, you are being a good and a professional or successful teacher right now.
About the teacher, student, working student in high school and 4 years working student.
Nasaan yung tato yung yelo?
Magsalita. Oo, kanya bin. Magsalita. Magawak pasok. Tapos magsalita ka. Bakit ito magsalita?
What is
Today's students.
for today? Today, you're dreaming to become a good
before you do everything, just tulong. Trabaho na rin ako. Wala na pa kasi